In front of me is OPPO RENO12 FS, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by launching Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google. Then All Services, Autofill, Autofill with Google and Google Password Manager. Finally, tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check. And enter your current login method. Then click on this eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!